Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I want to continue my video in the before. It is about six uh seven unpopular opinions that helped you retire early as a millionaire. Number one, company loyalty will make you poor. It is meant if you not switching jobs regularly, you're leaving money on the table. Taking a new position at a different company is one of the best ways to get a substantial raise. I switched jobs lifetimes in the span on my 40-year career and I got a 15% to 20% raise each time. This increases my salary well beyond and the rate on inflation. Employees will do whatever isn't their best interest, and employees should do same. And number two, most millionaires are self-made. A 2022 report from research firm Ramsey solution around that 74% of millennials believe millionaire inherited their money, and more than half of baby boomers uh, think the same. But many of the millionaires I knew would were on their own, and knowing that gave me great financial motivation. In the fact of the 10,000 millionaires that a Ramsey solution surveyed, 79% did riches and increased thanks instead most them got rich the consistent evidence sudah hilang. uh, Consistent investing, avoiding debt, and smart spending. Your life partner can hurt your finance. Many of friends, Many of my friends got married young in their early 23 and until 2010 as and now big point of relationship tension for a lot of them is money related, like opposite selling habits or an unworldliness to habits. And and getting on the same page about finance with a partner might not be a priority for most people, but it was for me. Today I have a supportive spouse who just enthusiastic as I am about investing and living a frugal lifestyle. You don't need to hustle 24/7. You might think that hustling will make you rich faster, but it also means having less time to take care of your body. And no amount of money is worth waiting your physical and mental health. To grow your wealth, you don't need to always be moving, producing, and working. Prioritizing things like sleep, exercise, and a proper diet give you the opportunity to refuel for the next day. I always part my health this, and as a result, I feel happier and used uh, and much more energy, productive, and creative. Growing up poor wasn't mean you can build wealth. I am from a very low income family. My grandfather was a pastor and barely got by financial because he wasn't good with his money. My dad adopted the same habits and spent most of his early years living paycheck paycheck to paycheck. Luckily, the recognized his father's bad habits and the sangat is cewek banget ya. Well, thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.